Georgia, southeastern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Kerr County in west-central Georgia, western Coweta County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bremen to Carrollton to near Centralhatchee to near Glen, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Douglasville, Carrollton, Franklin, Villarica, Bremen, Temple, Grantville, Whitesburg, Centralhatchee, Rouville, Chattahoochee Hill, East Newton, Corinth, Plan Eats, Brownsville, Bill Arp, Seton Lake, Fairplay, and Dunaway Gardens. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.